Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you've watched a few of my videos or this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed yet, it's totally free and I'd love for you to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, hitting the like button helps the algorithm and supports my channel. Okay, so let's get started, but first, if you hear a lot of noise in the background today, I apologize. They are doing some construction outside my house, so it's rather loud. Hopefully you guys don't hear it. So let's get started. Have you ever had when you're in Cricut Design Space, you're ready to do a project, you go ahead and you upload the image and it just takes forever? Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you have this adorable image you just found and you go to upload it and it says, wow, that's a large file. This may take a moment, and you end up waiting and waiting and then waiting and then waiting some more. Sometimes it takes a long time. So I wanted to walk you through what you can do to make it upload a lot easier. Larger files can slow down Cricut Design Space and may cause issues during the upload process. And I'm going to walk you through how to do all of this. The second thing is the dimensions. While there isn't a strict limit on the dimensions, which would be the width and the height of the image, keeping the images within 4096 by 4096 and pixels is advisable. Our larger images can be resized within Design Space, but starting with a more manageable size also makes the upload process smoother. And resolution. A resolution of 300 dots per inch, which is DPI, is typically sufficient for most designs. Higher resolutions can increase the file size without a significant improvement in quality for cutting purposes. So what does all that mean, and how do I fix it, and how do I know what size my PNG is? Great questions. So we're going to go over to the image that I was going to upload. But if you go into the image, all you need to do is right click on your image. And if you go down to properties and click on properties under general tab, it tells you that this is 5.53 megabytes. So that's pretty big. So you know that this one, when you're uploading, will take up a lot of time to upload, and you don't need to have it this big. Also, if you go to details, you'll see the dimensions are 3048 by 1844, which that's fine. But what we really need to change here is the size of the file. The image is just too big to upload, and sometimes when uploading it to Cricut Design Space, it can just take a long time. So let me show you what you can do to fix that. So to reduce the file size of any PNG for free, you can use several different online tools or softwares that compress and optimize the images. So you can go to Tiny PNG, which I'll leave these in the descriptions below. You can also go to I Love IMG. Go to iloveimg.com, and I'll leave that in the links below. And this will resize our image. You can use this without signing up, but you only get a certain amount per day. So let's go ahead and select image. And we're going to double click on the image we want to make smaller, or you can even drag and drop the image in here. So you can either choose for it to be 50% smaller or 75% smaller. Since this was 5 megabytes, I'm going to go ahead and go 75% smaller, resize image, and then download resized image here. And then you'll go over here to find your image in your download. So here is the image, and let's go ahead and right click, do properties, and you'll see now that the size is 478 gigabytes, and the details is 762 by 461, which we actually could have just done 50%. So now when you go into Cricut Design Space and upload this, it'll be a lot smoother and a lot faster. So let's just go ahead and do that. So in Cricut Design Space, we're going to do new project, and we're going to scroll down here and then upload image, browse, and then we're going to go ahead and click the new image, and you can see it uploads really quickly. It uploads a lot quicker than the original. Then we'll just go ahead and hit continue, and apply and continue, and then we can go ahead and select the one. If you have Cricut Access and you want to upload it as multiple layers, you can do that. You can do single flat. I'm going to go ahead and do the flat graphic and continue. And I always like to give it a name so I can find it easier. And actually, the more information you give it, if you don't remember the title, it is a lot easier to pull up and upload. So that is it, guys. So I hope that this tutorial helped you. And if it did, make sure to comment below and let me know. And as always, thanks for watching. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button on the way out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.